Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will see the chapter 5. Chapter name is exponents. So let's see what is exponents. Here see 3 is multiplying. So here 3 factor. This is a factor of 3. Okay. Now here 3. How many times I have written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have written 5 times. So this we can write as 3 to the power 5. Okay. So what I have said here? Power. So this 5 I have written right of this number. Okay. Right of this number. I am not written this side. This is wrong. We have to write how many times? 5 times I have written 3. So when we multiply any number with 5 times same number, we have to multiply many times. So that times we have to write here right side, not left side. So we have written here right side. It means this is known as power. Power or exponents. We know called as exponents, power or index. So here power 5, 3 to power 5. It means we have to multiply 3. This is base. Okay. Here 3 is what? Base. Once again I am writing here 3, 5. So this 5 is known as power. Okay. Or exponent or index. Okay. Now this 3, this 3. Okay. This 3 is a base. It calls base. Okay. So 3 to the power 5 is given. It means this base is multiplied how many times? 5 times. Now here see 4 to the power 2. Have written 4 to the power 2. It means we have to multiply 4, this base, how many times? 2 times. Okay. So 4 to the power 2 is given. So we have to multiply this 4 for 2 times. Okay. 2 times. Now let's see one more example. That is 5 to the power 10. What I am written? 5 to the power 10 I have given. It means we have to multiply 5 how many times? 10 times. So 5 into 5, 5 into 5, how many times we will write? 10 times. Okay. See I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See I have written 5 how many times? 10 times. It means we have to multiply 5 10 times. So this is called exponents. Now suppose here see 5 to the power n. Question is saying 5 to the power n. Here n means infinity. Okay. You have not given here limit. Okay. To multiply 5. So here n means infinity. Infinity times it will multiply. Now suppose here some notes. Note first. Suppose n is whole number. Okay. Whole number. N is whole number and a is any number. Okay. A is any number. You can take any number here. While negative or while positive. Any number you will take as A. So here it means A to the power n means A is multiplying how many times? Infinity times. Okay. Infinity times. It goes on. Okay. So here the factor of A is n. Okay. So here factors and factors. Here again a is a base. See, a is base and n is index or power you can say. Now suppose this is first note, let's see second note. See, suppose there is a negative number in base, okay, and exponent is 2, okay, exponent is 2, or you can say exponent is 4. So here see what happens here. Here see, power 2 is given, okay, in exponents what is given? 2, here 4 is given. But 2 and 4, this is even number. So when you will multiply this 3 into 2 times, it means that number comes in positive, okay. So 3 into 3, let's solve it. Minus 3 into minus 3. What you get? You get 9. You will say minus 9. No, because here 2 times negative is coming, it means it will be positive. So only 9 you will write. Now suppose minus 3 and it comes 3. Okay. Minus 3, it comes 3 in power. It means we will multiply minus 3 into how many times? 3 times. Okay. So when you will solve this, what you get? 27. But here in power, what is given? 3. So this number is a odd. 3 is a odd. So we will write minus. So see here, minus minus plus. So in this minus and this minus comes plus. Okay. But this plus and this minus we will multiply, then comes minus. So it means minus 27. But I have told you that in the power place, if even number, then it not be a positive, it will be a positive number. But if power is a odd number, then it will be negative. Now students, let's solve some question related to this topic. So let's solve one question. Suppose I am taking here some question. Question number 1. 8 to the power 3. Now here 8 to the power 3 I have written. It means 8 multiply how many times? 3 times. Okay. 8 into 8 into 8. Now you will multiply this. So what you get? 8 8s are 64. Then 64 into 8 you get 512. Okay. Now let's solve one more question. That is 5 to power this first one. In question 1 we have to taking second. So here 5 to power 3. It means you will multiply 5 3 times. So after multiplying, what you get? 125. Okay. Now let's take some other question. Here simple, but suppose this combination will give you. Let's see question number 2. So here suppose 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. This will give you. How you will solve this? First you have to find this value, then you will find this value, then both you have to multiply. So here what you will write? 2. 2 multiply how many times? 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2. Here we have to multiply how many times? But between is multiplication sign, so we have given here multiplication sign. Now here 5 to the power 2. It means we have to multiply 5 how many times? 2 times. So 5 into 5. Now let's solve this. So here 2 comes 3 times. So when you multiply, you get here, that is 8. Now multiplication sign. Now 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now we get it. Now you will multiply this. So 25 into 8 or 8 into 25, what you get? You get 200. This is the answer. In question number 2, this is first one. Let's take second one. Here, in second one, see, suppose 0 into 5 to the power 2, this come. What you will do? First you will write 0, then you will say 5 into 5. No, this is wrong. You know when 0 multiplied with any number, what you get? You get 0. So, direct you will write 0 answer. Okay, no need to solve this one. Direct you have to write 0 because 0 multiplied with any number and gives 0 answer. So, no need to solve this. Now, let's take some other types of question. So, question number 3. Here, this is simple. Okay. Now, suppose number is given into fraction form. Okay. So, here 2 by 5. Okay. Now, we have to write in whole bracket, small bracket, then we will give power 3. Okay. Now, 2 by 5 and I have written bracket. In that bracket, in right side I have written 3. So, it means we will multiply 2 by 5 how many times? 3 times. So, 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. Now, we will multiply numerator, we will multiply then denominator. So, you can write like this also, 2 into 2 into 2, then whole 5 into 5 into 5. We can write this. Now, 3 times we will multiplying. So, here comes 8 and 5 multiplying 3 times, here comes 125. So, the answer will be 8 by 125. Now, let's take one more example. This is first one in question 3. Second one. See, minus 3 by 4. Okay. In whole power, I am giving 4. It means here, see, in power 4 and here is a negative number. So, in the numerator, the number after multiplying, the result you get positive. Okay. You have to remember this. So, here minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4, we have to multiply how many times? 4 times. Okay. So, minus 3 by 4. Now, we will write together. See, minus 3 into minus 3 by 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay. Now, when you will multiply minus 3 into 4 times, you get the answer. See, what you get the answer? That is, after multiplying, 81. Okay. 81. So, here negative sign have not given. Why? Because in the power is a even number. So, no need to write negative. So, in the numerator, after multiplying this, you get 256. This is the answer. Now, in this question number 3, let's solve one more question. Okay. Now, in 3, let's take minus 2 by minus 3 power 5. Okay. Now, minus 2, minus 3, how many times? We will multiply 5 times. Okay. So, after multiplying, here you will multiply. I am not writing here, you can do it. Now, here minus 2 in the numerator, we will write how many times? 5 times. Minus 2. Here minus 3, we will write how many times? 5 times. Now, you will see here what happened is, see, here in the power 5, this is odd number. So, here come what? Answer you get negative. See, so after multiplying, you get answer minus 32 by minus 243. Okay. You will multiply this, then you get minus 32. Here you will multiply this, then you get minus 24, 243. But in numerator and denominator both are negative. It means we can cut this negative sign. And the answer will be only 32 by 243. Now, question number 4 we will see here. Question number 4. Let's take some other types of question. So here, first one, 3 पे power 2 into 5 पे power 3. Okay? Or in the denominator, you will ask 5 पे power 3 into 3 पे power 1. Okay? Suppose this type of question will ask you. How you will solve this? Very simple. See, first you will see, wait. You will see 3 पे power 2 I have written and here 5 पे power 3 I have written. So it means 3 into 3 2 times and 5 3 times. We have to multiply. Now in the denominator 5 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. 3 times. Now 3 only 1 times saying. It means only 3 we will write. Now here 5 numerator we can cut it. If see here 5 is 3 times, here 5 is 3 times. So we will cut this because this is same. We can cut this. Now 3 here 1 times, 3 here 2 times. So 1 3 here. So we will cut 1 3. So we have cut 1 3. So what is left? Only 3. So after solving this, after multiplying also, you will see answer will be 3. Okay. Let's take one more example, second number. If suppose here 3 पे power 4, 3 by 4 power 2 into 4 पे power 4 by 5 power 3. Okay, this type question will say. So how you will solve this? See how you will solve this. Very simple. 3 by 4 you have to write 2 times. 4 by 5 you have to write 3 times. See, I have done. But see, here 4, we can cut this 4 and this 4, this 4 and this 4. What is left here? That is 3 into 3 by 4. Okay, here this 3 into 3 into 4. So whole line you will give now. In denominator what is left? 5 into 5 into 5. Now you will solve this. Let's solve. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 4, 36. Okay. Now in the denominator, when you will multiply this 5 into 5 into 5, what you get? 125. So numerator you get 36 and denominator you get 125. So this is the answer. So you can solve. Understood, I hope. Chapter 5, Exponents.